Okay, now I tried to remember what the exact nature of the argument was. It's been 3 months since this argument occurred. It was a wonderful argument. These people are friends, but they argue very persuasively and very passionately their positions. And I'm going to refer you to the argument itself so you can see what actually occurred. This was Isaac's graph and his explanation for the question, and this was Sydney's graph and her explanation for the question. So I'm going to refer you to that argument so you can see what they were saying and how the argument came out. It's very interesting, and I've said for years and years that mathematics is nothing but a good argument. Okay, it's unfortunate that we can't have more arguments in our classes. But people are intimidated, don't know how to argue, don't want to argue. The best mathematical results I've ever seen in my classes come out of people who debate and discuss things and take various positions and try to persuade one another. Something that's just kind of a natural human impulse that gives life to the whole mathematical enterprise. Okay, now we'll say that our conclusion here is that after several miracles occur, we get a graph of pressure loss versus velocity. Okay, and it doesn't necessarily look like this. But the pressure loss does tend to go up with velocity for a given length of tubing. An experiment that we will probably do at some point during the year, but not at this point. And also, reason it's mentioned now is an experiment that's very relevant to the fluid dynamics that are involved in producing power from a water wheel. Okay.